Eventually you will find all of the different levels that you want turned on, the sidewalks, the curbs, everything on the top. Okay, as you slide through there, see everything's turned on. We'll just zoom out to where we can see everything, and we're going to go to the fence tool, the MicroStation fence. Place a fence around the whole entire object over there, the whole entire corridor. And then we're going to go back to the fence tool. The last fence tool is the copy, move fence contents to file. We're going to use that tool. We're going to go out and name it. You can't name it on this line. If you hover over the corridors, the word corridors, and try to type, it's not going to allow you to do that. So if I swipe through that and try to type anything, it's going to not work for me. So what I want to do is go out and select that magnifying glass. And the magnifying glass is going to go out and tell it where to place it and what to name it. So we'll just do no wizard. And we can come in here and we'll just give it a name of final linear features. And then we will save that, and that will create a brand new file in ProjectWise. And we just have to left click in the view that we want to save. Then if we go to ProjectWise, we should have that final linear features file that we created, and we can open it up and take a look at it. Okay. This is a 3D file. We'll go ahead and check in the corridors file we were in. And it creates a 3D file for us that has everything brought in that was inside that fence. You can take a look at the levels that it brought over. You can sort by the used here. You can see it only brought over those levels that were displayed. Both these windows are 3D windows, so default 3D. So really all we need is just the one window. We can expand that out. And this is our final product. One thing that you could do then at this point is you could save it, or you could go out and double check and make sure that elevations have been applied to this. So you can come down here and say maybe grab an edge of pavement, left click on it, and then if you go take a look at the element information on it, under geometry you should have an X, Y, and a Z value. And as long as you have that, then you know you've got 3D elements. You could also rotate this around if you wanted.